Welcome back. Let's do question 621. In the diagram, the graphs of f of x and g of x are drawn for the interval x in an element of negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. A and B are 2 points of intersection of f and g. Calculate the value of k. So the value of k here, we have 60 and k here for, this is a point of intersection. This is a point of intersection, meaning that we can use f of x or we can use g of x. Let's use both, right? Let's start with f of x. F of x is equal to tan x. F of x is equal to tan x. And then now x is 60 degrees. So it means y is equal to tan 60 degrees. How do we find y here? So this is a special angle. We must know this. You can also use your calculator. Just say tan 60. You'll get that y is equal to root 3. Or if you want to write it as a decimal, it will be 1,73. Right? And then let's use g of x. G of x is equal to 2 sine 2x. Now it means y is equal to 2 sine 2 times 60 degrees. You have y is equal to 2 sine 120 degrees. Then sine 120 degrees, is root 3 over 2. So it means y is equal to 2 times root 3 over 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. We remain with root 3. So it means y here is root 3.